Hey guys, today we'll be showing you fuse box location for this truck. This is Dodge Ram, and first one is right in here when you open it up, and there's your location, which one goes to which, and there's your fuses. To close it, just line it up. You also have spare fuses right here, I believe, so line it up. There you go. So to get to your OBD port, it's usually under the steering wheel, and this one's located right in here, right there. That's to plug into your computer or for DQ. And this one also has a second one. Second one will be under the hood. To open the hood, you pull this latch. So your second one will be right in here. And to open the second one, there's like a, you push it here, and then you push it here, and then wiggle it, and it raises up to the location of them are right in here. And there's your fuses. That's the fuse puller right here for the small ones. So to close it, you just line it up. Make sure it clicked everything, make sure it's tight, and this will be it. If you have any other questions, comment below. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.